There was a time when anyone with basic tools could fix their own car in the driveway. Today, that list is getting shorter. These are the last 10 American cars the average person can still work on themselves. The 2004 to 2006 Pontiac GTO LS2. The last real Pontiac muscle car with a naturally aspirated LS V8. Rear-wheel drive, no cylinder deactivation, and room to actually get your hands around the engine. The 1999 to 2004 Ford Mustang GT 4.6 2-valve. Simple modular V8, tons of part support, no complicated direct injection, and one of the easiest American V8s to wrench on at home. The 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 LS. Pre-AFM 5.3 trucks are everywhere. Parts are cheap, and you can do everything from a water pump to a cam swap in your garage. The 1998 to 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Mercury Grand Marquis 4.6 2-valve. Body on frame, simple electronics, huge engine bay, and built like a tank. These were the last true backyard mechanic sedans. The 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 5.2 to 5.9 Magnum. Before modern Chrysler electronics took over, these trucks were straightforward, mechanical, and easy to diagnose without a laptop. The 2005 to 2008 Dodge Magnum RT 5.7 HEMI early non-VVT. Early HEMI cars before variable valve timing got complex, still modern but simple enough for driveway maintenance and performance upgrades. The 2002 to 2007 Jeep Liberty 3.7 V6. Basic layout, naturally aspirated engine, no crazy hybrid system, and enough space to actually reach components. The 2005 to 2010 Ford F-150 4.6 2-valve, not the 5.4 3-valve headache. The 4.6 2-valve reversion is simple, reliable, and doesn't require pulling the cab to fix everything. The 2000 to 2005 Chevy Impala 3.8 3800 V6. One of the most reliable engines GM ever built. Straightforward cooling system, simple fuel system, and minimal electronic drama. The 2003 to 2006 Chevy Trailblazer 4.2 inline 6. Naturally aspirated inline engine, solid layout, still simple enough that most repairs can be handled at home. After these came direct injection, cylinder deactivation, turbos, sealed transmissions, and computers controlling everything. These may be the last generation of American cars that the average person can still fix themselves. Which one would you choose? Like and subscribe for more content like this.